Hello, this is Mrs. Anderson Brown, and I teach the ACT prep course for credit during the school day. There are some things I wanted you to know about the ACT test and how you might need to prepare yourself. You may want to be like a Swiss Army knife, wear many hats, or even own a coat of many colors so that you can be a jack of all trades. Well, what I'm trying to say is that the ACT prep course teaches you to be a versatile student in the 4 content areas of the test. You see, the test is a comprehensive critical thinking test that covers a multitude of topics from high school English, math, reading, and science. Honestly, it's like an EOC test on steroids. So test takers can't predict what will be on the test, but they can prepare themselves for the test. As a college admissions test, the ACT test is a gateway to other post-secondary opportunities. College admissions officers, scholarship committee members, and placement counselors will use your test scores to predict your success at the college level. Well, the ACT prep course here at Lee Summit High School is designed to help you raise your test scores to help improve your chances of being accepted to your desired university, or get scholarship money, or be placed in your desired classes. And the course here at Lee Summit High School is really more than just taking a multitude of practice tests and waiting for your results and hoping for the best outcomes. The course is structured to engage you in lessons built around typical ACT subject content. So each month, you will review essential pieces of high school curriculum from one of the 4 subject areas covered on the test, set performance goals, take practice tests to become familiar with taking the test, and analyze your score. And along the way, you'll research colleges and universities that interest you, research jobs that require college educations, and then learn test-taking strategies, and especially those to improve your score on the ACT test. So juniors, seniors, and some sophomores, if you want to learn what it takes to practice skills for the ACT test, learn tips for taking the test, monitor and increase your composite ACT test score, and put yourself in a competitive position for college admissions and scholarships, then sign up to take the ACT prep course. All that you have to do is circle the name of the course on your course request form. Oh, and did I mention that the ACT prep course is a completely free course? Other ACT prep courses cost between a couple of $100 to a couple of $1,000 to take. So it goes without saying that the ACT test preparation class is a cost-effective way to help you advance to college and hopefully attain that degree that will boost your lifelong earning potential. See you next year in class.